How to view recycle bin on Samsung phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Samsung folder and then go to My Files. After that, among several features, you will also see recycle bin in the bottom corner. Go there and all the files and folders that you have deleted will appear over here. But remember, recycle bin for 30 days, items will not stay any longer than 30 days in the recycle bin. So the items that you have deleted before 30 days will only appear here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.